Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 57 Chevy and this is by Hotwheels and this is the 2023 edition and this is from their color shifter series. So let's open it and see how it looks. I'm really happy that Hotwheels is back in India, It's been a long time since we actually had a Hot Wheels. Okay. Let's throw the rest of the things away and first let's have a closer look of the car. Okay, this pearl white looks really phenomenal and it is literally like, came out of heaven. Paint job is really sick. Even though it is white, the paint job still looks really sick. And the pinstriping on the car looks really amazing. The blue window tint looks awesome, man. It looks really awesome. Can't able to show you the interior, guys. I don't know whether it actually has any kind of interior. I don't think so. This is just pretty standard rims they are using here, the entire wheels. Okay, let's put it in this one and see how the color changes. So according to the box, it is supposed to turn black. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Now this looks really cool. It's not exactly pure black. It's what you can say, elephant gray, similar to that kind of color. But that looks really amazing. Okay, it is taking the heat from my hand. It is changing back to white color. Here it is. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.